22-mile-an-hour winds, not safe to fly on UAV forecast. I've moved 6,000 miles with it, so first flight in South Africa, and I wouldn't fly my Phantom 3 in this. So let's see how it gets on. Well, I mean, what could possibly go wrong? Good luck, little 249-gram drone.
Schoolboy error, should have had a second camera, but once airborne, hit record, away we go. The thing was dancing about in the sky. It was being buffeted, but it did a pretty good job of staying in position. I'll tell you what did super impress me was the fact that, and I timed it deliberately, I'd moved from the UK to South Africa with this machine. The last time it was flown was in the UK. It took the GPS 2 minutes to find itself a fix. So that was very, very, very impressive, I thought. No changes to the speed, so it wasn't in ludicrous mode. This is just out of the box, 1080p recording, and I felt sorry for it, so I didn't fly for very long. This is not something I would do on a regular basis. You really would not want to fly in strong winds like this. You would just be worrying continually. But if you need to, it can. I'm not sure how long the battery would last though.